Hi there and welcome to this video. This is the first video from a series called How to Get Your First Dropshipping Sale. In this video, we are going to discuss how to get your first sale by offering giveaways and by running contests. So stay tuned. Everyone loves to win. This is part of our human nature and part of who we are. So offering people something to win is always a great trigger to make them act. Hosting a giveaway on your store might lead you to your first sale. Giveaways draw lots of participants and you can easily promote for them and make them viral. Giveaways can also help you building your email subscription list and increase your followers number on social media platforms. So let's start trying to get your first sale by offering your first giveaway. How does it work? First, offer your giveaway. Choose one of your products and offer it as a gift. In this way, you will be also promoting for one of your products through your giveaways. Two, identify contest entry method. Identify contest entry method. Ask your participants to follow or like your store page. You can also ask them to tag a certain number of their friends and to share your giveaway post. Define when the giveaway ends by defining the milestone you want to reach. For example, the giveaway ends when your post gets 500 shares or 5,000 likes. And don't forget to tell your viewers clearly when the contest ends. How to run a successful giveaway. First, don't be tight-fisted while choosing which product to offer. Choose one of your best products and most expensive ones. The product you are offering as a giveaway will receive lots of attention and marketing, so be generous. 2. Advertise your giveaway via social media. This is the best way to benefit and it will help you grow your followers base. 3. Run your contest in a way to encourage people to tag their friends. In this way, your giveaway will get more viral. For example, if you have a store selling baby stuff, you can run a contest where you offer moms to be the gift and you ask everyone to tag the moms to be they know. In this way, people will start to tag the moms to be they know. One person can tag more than one mom, and in this way, your giveaway will get more and more viral. 4. Take your time designing your contest social media post. Design an attractive photo, full of colors and happiness. Use capital letters to point out important attractive points in your post, like win, giveaway, and contest. 5. Create urgency and scarcity in your post. The contest time is limited, so this is very important to create urgency and to urge your viewers to act fast. 6. Pin the giveaway post on your Facebook page. 7. To profit more from your giveaway, offer all the participants, or maybe a limited number of them, a coupon code to your store. A $5 or a $10 coupon code would be great. In this way, you will drive more sales to your store. In your post, don't forget to include what's the prize, how to enter the contest, and this is very important, the duration of your contest, how the winner is selected, and the date and method of winner announcement. A final tip, if you want to run your contest on Instagram, these are the different types of Instagram contests you can choose between. First, like the contest post and follow the page. 2. Tag a friend. 3. Post your own picture and use the contest hashtag. 4. Repost the contest post and use the contest hashtag.